We have a pair of simultaneous equations here and we're asked to solve them. Now, essentially when you get these sorts of simultaneous equations with one non-linear and one linear, the first one's non-linear, it's the equation of a circle, okay, and the second one's linear. Okay, what it looks like is there's your circle and you've got your line crossing, and you've got to find the places where they cross, so the points at where they cross. Alright, now in order to do this we need to eliminate one of the letters. We can't solve anything until we get rid of one of the letters. So what I'm going to do first of all is this first one here, I'm going to say, well hang on, instead of 2x plus y equals 8, I'm going to say that y equals 8 minus 2x, and then I'm going to swap it into here. So wherever I see y, I'm going to, 8 minus 2x I should say, squared equals, what was it, 52. Yeah, right, okay, 52. So now I've only got x's involved, which is excellent. No pun intended there at all. Plus 64 minus 32x. So I'm multiplying out the brackets now. Plus 4x squared equals 52. I'm then going to simplify everything. So 5x squared minus 32x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, that will actually factorise, and if you don't spot the factorise, use the quadratic formula, that's absolutely fine. So it's going to be 5 times 6, and that's going to be 2. So I've got my x values. X is going to be 2/5 and 6. So they're the two x values, or the x coordinates. Now I've got them, I need to put them back into y equals 8 minus 2x, so I'm going to be putting these back into this here to find my y coordinates. Okay, and when I put 2/5 in there I get 36/5, okay, and when I put 6 in there I get minus 4. You might, instead of 2/5 you might end up with, I'll put it in green actually, 0.4, and this is 7.2, but either's absolutely fine. Okay, I tend to leave them as fractions because they tend to be more accurate. In this case it doesn't actually matter, but there you go. So when you see stuff like that, right, you're going to get two answers for x and two answers for y. Okay, that's because the line crosses the circle at 2 points, or the curve, or whatever it may be. Alright, so just be a little bit careful with that. And the best way to do this is to substitute one into the other. And it's obvious that, well, I say it's obvious to me obviously, but it's far easier to substitute the y equals 8 minus 2x into the circles equation than it is to try and do it the other way round.